Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I'm out here on my next adventure. We are up in Squamish BC. Thinking about doing Anif Peak and probably Mt Mulligan. Anyways, once I get there, I will check in with you guys later. Peace out! This is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I finally arrived to the summit of Anif Peak. This is located in Squamish BC. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about under 8 kilometers round trip if you drive close to the trailhead. Okay, we drove up to the 1,000-meter mark, which is pretty good. So the elevation from sea level is 1,645 meters, and average time will probably take you about 5 to 6 hours to complete. And this hike classified as intermediate to difficult. A little bit of route finding, but we done with GPS, so no problem. And you can see the Squamish Range Mountains, as you can see in the background, like Sky Pilot, Co-Pilot, and then Owl's Head Ridge. And then you can see the lions from here, which is quite nice. It's a nice day, and we got some views, as you can see in the background. Nice 360 view for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys like my YouTube video, and if you guys do, please hit the like and subscribe button, and hope you guys stay tuned for my next adventure. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye now. Take care. Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. So I have arrived from, well, we hiked from Anif Peak all the way to Mt Mulligan. I know, this is the highest point. The elevation of this from sea level is 1,534 meters. Okay, from the Anif Peak to here is about 1.5 kilometers. From there to here, so it's quite a small peak, but the views is quite treed in. As you can see, all the trees in the background. I don't know, I actually prefer the Anif Peak viewpoint. Like right now it's like, yeah, it's just trees, not really that much. There's no trees, it would be better, right? So, but anyways, so there's the hiking crew in the background. So I think today we'll be doing about almost 10K. Some trip reports were saying that if you drive up to the trailhead, up to the very end of the Forest Service Road, you will do 7K to 8K with both peaks, both mountains, right? So, but today because there's snow on the trail and you know we kind of postponed and stuff like that, so it's okay. Anyways, I hope you guys stay tuned for my next adventure, and if you guys like my YouTube video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye now, take care.
Oh yeah, I feel it. You feel it, right? I have very strong hands. I feel it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, see? This one. This one, the moves. Yes. And it's here. And this is, you know, the end of this. See?